Bismillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my new channel, Techno Functional Basic. It's a new channel for all ages to learn new techniques from experts, not just knowledge, with their experience. Fully recommended for beginners, students, and teachers. This is trading item. Trading item we have two types. One is MTO, make to order. Another is MTS, make to stock. Make to order we are doing only for customer. Anybody can be customer. Me as customer, you as customer, big customer, small customer. Anybody who is coming for taking that is called customer. Like we have example, power center, power rack, Bahira, electric house, Binadin. There are so many individual customer, group of customer, anybody. That all covered customer. Now, every company have sales order. If they print any invoice, every company have sales order. They will make one sales order with this number. They need some item. Now, this item not available in their warehouse. For example, in their warehouse, this item not available. Whatever item there, this item not available in the warehouse. What they will ask, they will tell to purchaser, their purchasing department, to bring for us whatever balance there. And they have this price. They want to bring less than this price. They normally what they are trying, at least get 20% discount. But what I am trying to get maximum 50% discount. That is impossible. But if you pressurize 50% discount, supplier can come to near to 50% discount. Maybe 65%, maybe 75%. It is good for us. But if you, early stage, if you try to get I need only 20% discount, then you will not get, maybe you get 10% discount. So focus it on 50% discount. It will be near to you. If you ask 10 people, maybe 1 or 2 people can come to your range, 65%. This is what I have experienced, alhamdulillah. That's why I am getting the maximum discount. So based on their sales order, whatever their sales order, whatever the balance item not available in the warehouse, we are arranging from the local market. That is called make to order. This order is for some assigned sales order and back to back order. For example, sales order having 1, 2, 3 item like book, stationery, chair, something, whatever. So this item we are arranging for this sales order for this customer. You understand? If not understand, you can tell me. So when this item coming, going through this sales order, and answer is 0. Result is 0 because something coming. You are selling. Now we don't have stock. If you have stock, it's a big problem. And we are buying for what purpose? We have to sell. But if you're not, you are just buying and keeping, it will loss. We have to buy and sell. So made to order, that is that category fit. Made to order fit in that category. And we are buying to sell. Back to back order. Result is 0. Now, how much profit, how much differential is between sales and accounts? This is not our work. Similarly, we have another point, MTS. MTS means stock for future. Because we don't know this item in future for some customer, maybe one day, maybe after 2 days, maybe after 1 year. They are keeping reserve for future, for some order, for fast moving, whatever. So we are arranging MTS under stock. This is our company responsible how to sell. This is not anybody responsible. This is MTS. Another item there, this is trading. Another thing there, asset. This is the most important point in purchasing. Everybody can do all the work. But asset, nobody can do. Only for specific people can do because they have to understand everything from all the corners. They have to understand. Number one, in asset, we must know there is IT asset. IT asset. And second category is general asset. Number 1, number 2. Asset, first category, trading item. Trading is very important. Selling, giving. But there are some company need, like how to sell anything. We have some office, we have some chair, we have some telephone, we have some laptops, there are some things which company needed to give employee, to keep, like to represent them. To represent them, we have 2 categories. One is IT asset. IT asset, like laptops, we have like printers, we have laptops to print quotation, to print whatever you want, letters, some proof, some documents, that all called IT asset. And second thing is general asset. IT asset particularly for your name, like laptops, like phone, this is particularly your name. General asset means this for company purpose, like chairs, set of chairs, set of tables, office and building, these are called asset. Nobody can take them. Must be keep one place. That is called general asset. You understand?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Now IT asset, we have a particular name.
Before an exact log, not classification like this, like assets.
What?
Not only assets.
Yeah, normal asset. Because no, we mostly in our company, like IT asset, IT is handling this one. IT will approve this one. For example, laptop, anybody can purchase. No, it's not possible. IT will know the price. IT will know the specs. IT will provide. For example, you need 60 GB, but IT know only 4 GB you can work. So he will arrange 4 GB. But you say no, I need to do drawing work, AutoCAD. So IT will arrange maybe 12 GB, maybe 60 GB. It depends on the IT. So based on that, price also will come. That's why some laptops can come in 1,400 real, some laptop 5,000 real. It's based on that. Second thing, general asset. General asset, as I said, that kursi, like chair, table, office setup, buildings, and big machines, AC, all this car asset, which nobody can take, and everybody can share it and keep one place. Now, when you make these things, you have to write in the PO that to whom name. For example, first is we are the.
This is the main thing.
Yeah, this is the main thing.
Who is using the or it's available in the IT purchase request of them.
Yeah. So how we can distinguish this one? There is some request come to us. IT asset request, general asset request. These two different requests for us. IT request and general asset request comes under one PO asset, but we have to distinguish. Now, for example, something coming for us like a laptop. We can understand this laptop come under IT, and something coming like, for example, mouse coming. Mouse come under IT, but is a consumable item. This is very important point. Same thing, we have to distinguish this one. We have to distribute. In asset, there are some laptops.
You to give some examples for IT assets and general assets.
Yeah, I will give. Here in IT, mouse is coming.
Mouse,
Keyboard coming, and other accessories like bags, other accessories. Now, these are called like bags, laptop bags, whatever. All these come under convert. We have to divide our work. IT asset, laptop, printer, because highly costly, expensive.
You need to write something like that.
You can take picture also, you can write conclusion. Okay. Now, consumable, IT people telling that bring mouse, keyboard, accessories, wires, bags, whatever there. We cannot put in IT asset. These are consumable because the cost is most maybe 10 riyal, maybe 50 riyal. And
Just
keyboard,
like
maybe 100
you
riyal.
know what is the consumable, what is the general, what is the IT asset.
We have to
IT
understand
asset
and we have to
big
distribute
things like
This
laptop or something.
is some accessories like wires, cables, small thing. Like bags we are putting maybe 100 riyal, 200 riyal, it's consumable. We cannot, huh?
Benadryl or coffee or tea.
No. There's another thing. I will tell you. There's another thing. That is completely consumable. But from IT people, they are telling that bring laptop, bring printer, bring mouse. This has one set.
IT related items.
One set. But supplier, if they give separate price, we can make as one price put under asset. That is okay. But supplier giving for different supplier. We are arranging these two from one supplier, this from another supplier. So we have to put this under consumable. But this one supplier, one invoice, we can put all in asset. This is the main thing. Yes.
Consumable also including the.
Yes. Sometimes yeah, because if price coming different, supplier give a different price, we can make one asset, one consumable. But supplier include everything, one set. So we can use as IT asset. This is the most important point. That's why I'm telling you.
If this example is ZDL provide the laptop, sometimes they are providing with the bag and mouse free. So we need to put that one also in asset.
All in asset.
Yeah, all in one group. The price is total price.
I will give one.
Yeah.
I will give one good example. For example, we have one request come from IT side to arrange one laptop for you or anyone. Only laptop they ask me. But laptop we need mouse also. Also some people like design people they need keyboard also. Design people. And we need bag also to keep bag. And also some accessories, wires, cables, fan, everything. So for that thing, I asked 20 supplier. One supplier giving as one price, all this as one price. Another supplier giving different prices. So I will distribute this as asset, this as consumable. But one supplier giving complete, I will make all in one asset. You have to divide this one. You have to divide. Because mostly keyboard nobody is taking. Keyboard nobody is taking. Some people's mouse not taking. So that's why if you are taking as one bunch, if you mostly what we have to tell.
Okay, can you give me a second just to write?
Sorry,
No, actually, normally when I am telling you, I will tell, don't write, take in your mind.
No, it's different
No,
from
no,
one to
no
other.
problem.
Yes, this is the way I understand. I must
No
try.
problem.
If possible, make one chart or a table. I test an example in Excel.
Yeah, because most of the time our IT, the people not they are giving laptops. They need like designer there, like AutoCAD draftman there. They need mouse, keyboard, extra what you call this monitor. They need big monitor because design having small lines. So laptop is enough for them, but we are giving to them big monitor also.
Okay, so if the supplier provide me in one code, all laptops and mouse and cables, no problem. I will put under IT asset.
Under IT asset.
If he give me separate quotation for all, I will put one under consumable and the other under IT asset.
Yeah, I will give one short example. If you arrange one laptop, that is asset, khalas. But after laptop, they are telling, no, I need mouse, I need keyboard, I need other accessories. Then if you are using separate PO, you can make under consumable. You understand? I will tell you again. If a request come from IT, make laptop, we are arranging directly under IT asset. But after receiving, they are telling, no, I need mouse, I need keyboard, I need bag, I need other accessories. If you are arranging, next time, you put all directly in consumable. Simple.
Okay.
If you are arranging one time, put under IT asset. All in one. This is the difference. This is the difference. And this depends on you, how you will categorize. And you are the accountable, you are the answerable. If anybody are. And you can tell them, this is my process, right? I will follow like this. Then everybody accept. But this procedure not applicable for all time. Only for IT. Second thing, no general asset. What is general asset? Asset like building, like chair, like table. This is also asset. We are arranging for them. Like maybe this chair, office chair and table, maybe this cost 5,000 riyal. 5,000 riyal for set of office chair. Like building also there. Building maybe 100,000, 200,000, whatever. So this come under general asset. No.
So light, if I need
No,
light.
light consumable. Then if you are seeing here, for example, this one, maybe 5 riyal. If you are arranging like this, only this one, this may be 2 riyal. But this complete, this come under asset. This come under asset. For example, speaker, this consumable. This will come under asset. But price must be 1,000 riyal. If price 100 riyal, we have to put under consumable. No further for putting this one. So you have to distinguish from your side. Now in general asset or consumable, ID, what we are doing, for example, this is also very most important point I am telling you. First, we are using our PO. Our name will come by default. When you open your system, your name will come automatically, your name, because you are the purchaser. Second name, you have to select. Because if you are selecting any IT, this one, requester who, the big requester is IT manager, Mr. Najim, or anybody. You have to write their name, department head, not the other person. Department head you have to write there, because they are the department head, they are the approval.
Yesterday, Miraj told you to write the name of the requester, not the header.
No.
And now
No, not this.
No, this is another one.
This is
Brand
different.
manager.
Okay.
This trading item. Trading
Yeah,
this
I will-
comes under field like this.
Yeah, okay.
This is special thing.
This explain
And
the
the
general purchase, local purchase.
First name, our name will come automatically. Second name, our end user. End user means our brand manager. The department head. Brand manager, department head, yeah, brand manager. Brand manager can head of the department or department head or any manager. They are the end user for us because they are the supreme authority for their department. Like our department, Viraj is the head. Our department. So we have to write their name here. This is very important. And after this, we are coming worker. Finally, last part of our PO is here worker. Worker. Here, who is worker? Here, for example, if IT asset, you have to write here IT asset. Here IT asset. Or the number is 9999. This is general asset and 9998. This is IT asset. This will come. When you type IT asset, this number will come. When you type general asset, this number will come.
This worker we can select from the drop down list, right?
Only drop down list, you can write general asset. Because there are so many people there.
Right.
There are some, if one people there, you can write direct your name. So that's one important thing. Anyway, if one person there, for example, I am managing laptop for this particular person. So worker is direct particular person. If two there, we should not write, we have to write like this. Because after finishing this part, worker, we are going inside item code. Inside item code. Inside item code, what we are doing, fixed asset. There is one asset, fixed asset. And there is one general properties. In this, when we are selecting in the asset, we have to select the category. IT asset means we have to select the IT asset category. If the general asset there, we have to select the category. For example, heavy machinery, low machinery, equipments, furniture. We have to select each here in general asset. In general asset.
We can select this both also from drop down list, right?
No, this is inside item.
Inside.
Inside. First, this part in header. This part in header. Last, this up to here is okay. Last number is worker. When you type 998, automatically everything will fit in the PO. Everything will come. This is for one or more.
Worker ID, right?
Worker idea. One or more. If one person there, we have to write Anish name, your name, my name, who are there. Direct their name. Because one person, inside you are fitting. If you write here, no need to fit there. It will come automatic there.
This one.
But
You show me that
Yeah.
time how to create as
Yes,
Yeah,
skits.
you are copy pasting on salesman name, then coming some.
yes, that salesman, because you are arranging for one salesman,
Yes, yes.
you are writing that worker name, always. But we are arranging more than one salesman, multiple, maybe 2% or 1000%. So we cannot write all name here. We are write their code, general asset or IT asset. Inside the item code, we are distinguishing each item. For example, 2% is there. 2% is there. person number 1 is Anis, example. Person number 2 is you, example. So what we have to do, person number 1, here we have to change the code inside. We have to write in this item, also worker number will come. We have to write Anis code. Everything will come based on Anis, which department, where working, whatever, everything will come automatically. We have to write his name, that's why all the things come under him, whatever there. Similarly, if second person is you, so you have to write as worker name inside, not outside. You have to write your name. If you type your name, all the categories, details, everything regarding which department you are working, whatever, it will come automatically. And you are selecting here, this is general equipment or heavy stationery or heavy duty, whatever, you are selecting that. After that, save it. Then your PO is finished. It means this more than 1 or 2% or 3%, it will come directly under your account. If some system will check, if somebody want to check this particular number laptop where it is available right now, maybe it is available with him. The laptop is here with this number, so and so, it's available with him. It's not available in my name. This is very important part. That's why we are giving all the information here in first time. If somebody coming telling my laptop have problem, issues, I will tell what is your request number. So there is some general request there. In the general request, I am taking their number. With their number, I am putting in my PO. And I will test it immediately. Oh, this laptop I arranged from that supplier, from Jareeb, from XYZ, whatever supplier there. I will recall my memory. If you not give, you bring laptop, I don't know. From where, I don't know. I am arranging daily. Thousands of laptop I am arranging. So he will provide me his number, request number or PO number. Then I will trace my supplier. I will tell, please, this supplier has some problem. Troubleshoot it, repair it. Then he will do. Now, up to now, this part understand? General asset and IT asset. General asset is you cannot take. IT asset you can take, like laptop, like phone, you can take. General asset is building furniture here. So this part is okay. Now we are taking consumable. Third part is consumable. Third part is especially now consumable. Consumable means mouse, this one come from IT. There are so many things we are using. For example, you need like chai, dhawa, whatever for company purpose we are using consumable. When you are using PO, you know we must understand this consumable, so we have to issue PO under consumable. You got my point? Whenever you use PO, whenever you want to buy from any branded supplier, like OTM company, like Panda company, you are giving 1,000 real order to them,
Sure.
chai, coffee, dhawa. You have to use PO consumable.
So consumable under two PO for IT and for our need, yani?
No, consumable is come under one. It's consumable. But for example, IT need mouse, you have to put under consumable. If you need chai, dhawa, you have to put consumable. If you need pen, pencil, put consumable. If you need like clothes,
So the
like
need
company
of,
dress.
the need of us, what we need.
Yes,
Oh,
that is because for our needs and to be consumed. Consumable is consumed. We are using and color thrown after that. That is called consumable. Consume. We are consuming. That is called consumable. Now you understand? Okay. Whatever you are consuming, there are some parties going on here. Bringing mashallah pastries like Saudi National Day. So they mashallah bring coffee, flags, everything. All this comes under consumable. We are eating, we are putting flag there, all consumable. Whatever cost, 1,000, 10,000, consumable. Now the last part is MRO. It is maintenance. Maintenance, repair, operation. Maintenance, repair, operation. MRO. This is the fourth part of our PO. Maintenance, repair, operation. What come under this one? Can you tell? What come under this one?
Forklift or
Yes, forklift. Can you tell, sister, what other come under MRO?
maintenance.
Maintenance.
in maintenance, AC or something like this.
AC maintenance. You can see here. This is
Like the AC.
yes. AC maintenance and speaker maintenance. This repairing and all this one comes under MRO. Mostly we are using MRO for forklifts. Forklifts.
What's mean for
Forklift. Forklift, what you call?
There is available in warehouse one machine. We need to take the material from upper floor. The cabinets are
Cranes, you know cranes? Crane.
around 7 or 8 cabinets are there. We cannot take the material from there by hand. So there is one machine take the material from there.
No, you must type on your phone. You will understand.
Your phone.
Forklift. This is very important part for our work.
Yeah, it's most
Very important point. Without forklift, no company can run.
what is the spelling?
FORK, LIFT. Check in images. Because if you have warehouse,
Yes.
what you call Arabic?
Rafa.
I
We
don't
take this, we call it
Yeah.
this.
If somebody has warehouse,
Yes.
if somebody has warehouse, 100% forklift will be there. With a new
Many
forklift,
types of forklifts are available.
Yeah.
Not only this.
Mm-hmm.
This one only this we are using for take the material from vehicle to warehouse. and we cannot use this one inside of the warehouse.
Inside of warehouse also there are some like cranes. There are some cranes. Like one place, like here, there, like buckle something there, and crane is going like this. Maybe tons of weight they can handle from one place to another. I was working before in Madina car park project. Gantry crane was there. $16 million. That material, $16 million. One crane there. It was used before in America, another in Madina Manwara. So this crane having capacity to take tons of steel from one place to another. For that 8-year project, they finished in almost 2 years. So we save money, we save manpower, we save machinery. In forecast, in future, whatever the expenses there, all we save. Engineer salary, technician salary, but we expand that one. We have to purchase that one, $16 million that cost in the 25 years back. But because of that, 6 years they save. 6 years they save. 6 years salary, 6 year equipment, 6 year light bill, everything saved. So this big businessman can think like this. Small people cannot think. Future, this is called vision. This is called vision. You have to think about vision. If you think future, if you think in present, oh, this costly, you are forgetting future. In future, the more cost is there. Yeah. Cost is going on. The 15 years back, this pen was 10 halala. Now this pen is 20 riyal. 10 halala jumped to 20 riyal. Similarly, if the work going after 8 years, 10 years, very big cost. So they understand. This is called vision. And fahm, I think in Arabic. Understanding future. Future is completely black. But if you have vision, it is full of light. Like this. So anyhow, so this we call forklift, gantry crane, and reach truck, and there are so many machinery, heavy equipment, that is called heavy equipment, all come under maintenance, repair, operation. Mostly we call it forklift, normally forklift for warehouse. Now this having always some issues. If you take any forklift, 1 year guarantee, 2 year guarantee, 5 year guarantee. After that forklift stop, we have to pay whatever charges. Only qualified people can work. Car, anybody can repair, but forklift nobody can repair. Have must qualified technician or qualified engineer can do, automobile engineer. Anyhow, that called MRO. MR, this is very important part. And this fifth one is services. You understand MRO? Okay. Now fifth one is services. This is not the correct spelling, I have written shortcut. fifth one is very important, services. Now services means whatever here and we cannot see. We cannot see, but we are using. Like Kiraman Katib is a service. Whatever we are doing, they are writing, good or bad. Similarly, services means we are using softwares, Windows, Microsoft, Excel, Word, Dynamics, Fortran, Docs, or whatever called old softwares. Exact Globe. There are so many software. All these we are utilizing. All these we are using.
The extension?
No. What's that?
The extension is how the extension.
No, you can take.
It's okay.
Sorry.
So services means the so services means we are utilizing something which we are not known this like material. It is we are using service. For example, Microsoft is giving service for 1 year. We are paying 1 year, and Microsoft giving you software through internet, and their server is there. Everything our data is saved in their servers. If something happens, our problem, they will solve it. So all IT costs reduced. All IT engineers class, they are handling everything. We are all as operators to them. They are working, and we are all clerk to them. We are working as clerk to them. In this clerk, programmer can come, software can come, whatever. But we are using. So we are just taking their services based on some contract basis, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. All these contracts also come under services. All these softwares come under services. And whatever you are utilizing service, like contract of AC, like contract of repairing this one, contract of forklift, contract of
Insurance?
yeah, insurance also come under services.
Which insurance?
All type of insurance, because it's a service. Insurance is a service. We are not getting anything in hand. This is not material, this is not IT, this is not consumable, this is not repairing. This is service, contracts, service. Because we cannot take it in our hand, and we cannot see also. But we are utilizing the service. Like AC is problem. We have service, they will come and do. We have contract with them 1 year, they will come and repair. We have service for light problem, electrician will come and do. We are paying 1 year contract. Normally 1 year contract we are doing. Like AC.
What is the difference between maintenance and service?
Maintenance means in this we can buy spare parts also. That's why maintenance, repair, operating. You can assume this as maintenance, repair, operation, maintenance, repair, organization. Organization completely will come.
With material.
With material, everything. So that's why maintenance, okay, doing something, maintenance, there are some oil change, whatever maintenance. Repair means you need something to put there, some spare parts. That is called repair. Operation means they are moving, doing, there are so many things are going on in this operation. Anything can go on. So spare parts also can put here, and they can repair also. They will put some like joints, whatever. That is called come under this one, maintenance repair operation. Service means you cannot see anything, but you are utilizing service. AC problem, fridge problem, and
just they provide the service only.
that's right. If even here, those who are coming and cleaning the office by, it's our service. Also service. If I am doing, if suppose if I am, if our company hiring somebody, instead of me to giving training this one, somebody hired from outside to come training, that is also come under service. Because we are paying for the service. Service for 1 hour, service for 1 year. Some people are taking service in dollar, some people service taking in reals, based on their duty hours. So that is called service. Now we are having, there are so many service contractors available in the kingdom. Like, can you tell some example? Service? Who can give service? All type of services. There are some engineers coming on service. There are some office boy coming for services. There are some managers. They are hiring on services. Everything A to Z can get service. Not only software, everything service. Like our printer is also come under services. Here we are having printers, no? All the giving services. Because we given like a 3-year contract, 1 million real. In 3 years, they will do complete repair. They will do complete papers. They can, whatever papers they ask for contract, they can give. Printer is stationary, but come under service. Because this printer is not our property, their property. They are putting new printers as per contract.
If we need like their services, we need to mention in the PO the guarantee or warranty like this.
Yeah, everything are putting. Because when we are issuing PO, 100% we are issuing PO for 1 year, normally 1 year. As per Saudi Arabia, government does 2-year warranty there. Even if you take anything, 2-year warranty for this government law. It's good for us. Before there is no law. In all the world, nobody is giving you like this 2-year warranty.
Exactly, no. We are mentioning the PO, it should be need
No.
1 year warranty.
No, I was doing
Service.
service. Yeah.
خلاص the first time I see contract service.
Service, contract service. Because
Like,
contract, they do material to take like this in hand.
Like supplier who provide us the cup for the tea,
If supplier taking this one for 1 year,
I will make it under service.
yes, you can make service.
Depend.
Yes, you can make it service. But supplier give you, like I put clauses inside PO. He will tell, like manpower, this much, 10 hour, 12 hour, they will work, 8 hour, they will work. Same time supplier will tell, I will bring this much tea boxes, this much sugar, kg. He will give you all the quantity. And you throw, you use, not use, up to you. He will bring every month this particular quantity of this one. Rate, more or less, he's responsible.
خلاص, so I will select service only if it has contract.
Contract. Always remember, service with contract. You are right, mashallah. Service with contract. Always service with contract. Because without contract, there is no service. Without contract, there is no service. Like I said, like Kiraman Katini doing till our expiry. Good, bad order. So this service. So like you are taking laptop, Saudi Arabian guarantee 2 year. 2-year service. After 2 years, for the expire. But there are some software coming. 1 year we are paying. After paying 1 year, they will disconnect the line. They will disconnect the line. You have to pay. Before expiry, you have to pay. Then you will renew your license. Like our ikhama. So if expiry comes, 500 real will come. Because this is the deadline there. If you have contract. Before expiry come, do this one. Before expiry come, correct yourself. This is very important. Correct yourself before expiry come. So you have to be before expiry. Like our salah there. Ahama before salah, ahama there. Azan, you can salah start, but no. Before azan, there is ahama there. So you have to think before. This expiry come. If something expire, your contract finish. You have to renew contract, maybe with penalty. You have to give more money. You have to put fine. Or sometimes, okay, no problem. Like this also. So this depends on contract. And second contract depends on your first contract. You will think this supplier is good, then I will give order to him. So I will ask, you are good, please give me discount. Or this supplier also thinks, oh, this customer is good, I should give discount. Or this customer is very bad. So both sides have contract, both sides plus, both sides minus. It depends on them to renew or not. But normally everybody renew. Everybody renew. Like Microsoft services there, we are using their software. We don't have their server. Their server in America, maybe their server in other different countries. If something happened to our data, Microsoft is responsible, they will give. Because they are saving the data. For this, they are charging. That's why that's called service. Service with contract. You are correct. Service with contract. So up to now, here, you finish, you understand? This is the main part of our purchasing. This is for those who understand purchasing, this is for them. Now, for trading, like Mr. Anis said, we have some particular person, salesman. We are doing sales order, like MTO for one particular person. One particular person. We are taking their brand or their brand manager number. But MDS, we are not doing for sales engineer. We are doing for the brand manager. Always brand manager name should mention inside MTO because nobody have authority. Only brand manager or any big manager have authority to arrange stock. He have vision to sell in future days. He have order, he have project, he have whatever dealing in future. He know the price coming in future more. So he have the decision maker. Only the manager can do this MTS.
Most of the MTS purchase orders are coming from brand managers, so you can place their name.
MTOs depend on the
MTO,
MRP, right?
Back to back order.
No.
No, I will tell you. I will tell you. MTO means we are making back-to-back order for this customer. For example, as I said, first we have to make sales order for this customer. Sales order people doing chahi, whatever people selling.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1 minute after that.
No.
So that it will be clear to me also. I can understand you. You can correct me. So there are so many 1, 2, 3, 4 lines there in sales order. It is already before purchasing. It's already before purchasing. It's their job. For who are customer there, and they will check in their warehouse physically whatever they found no stock. Then this coming to us. This portion coming to us, please arrange in M2A back-to-back order this item. We will check they are correct or wrong. They are genuine or making fun with us. We will check our MRP. What is the full form, Faisal?
Material required planning.
Material?
Question plan.
Material request planning. Material request planning, correct. Material request planning. And material we are requesting with planning. Material we are arranging with planning. For example, this material available in sales order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are telling arrange 2 items from local. So because they don't have stock. Now we will check this having stock or not. Or in this MRP, whatever result is coming to us, they are showing no, we have 1 stock, we found this damage, and 20 pieces is coming from overseas in after 15 days. MRP will show you, and we have some stock limited for some supplier reserved. Limited stock reserve. So we have chance to get that stock if we have. Otherwise, this report shows that this is the result. Now we have to ask our brand manager, sir, shall we buy or not? Because 20 is coming after 1 week or 2 weeks, whatever. Brand manager telling, no, we have emergency. They deliver immediately because product stock, otherwise they will penalty. So that time we have to buy local with their signature. Then we have to give all this signature, all this document to our higher authority like Mr. Haridi, like VP. So please check. He will check all the documents, okay, then he will sign. After that, payment will come from account account. If everything okay, he will release payment. Otherwise, he will hold. So should check everything in MRP. You understand or not? Tell me what is the next part? So that myself to be correct here.
No, you asked about the MTO preparing from MRP. Did you get the meaning of MTO and MTS? What is the difference between MTO and MTS?
MTO for order, MTS for stock.
Yeah.
Yes.
MTO for particular order for customer. Who are customer? Me, you, anybody can be customer. And MTS means only stock, keeping stock for future. Maybe this stock for future project, future sales order. First moving is depend on the management. They are responsible, they are saying.
Okay, my question is simple. MRP, we are based on it in local and international, right or no?
What?
MRP, we are using MRP for
वैसा एक तो पानी
local
रखना है
and for
खाली दूसरा पे
अपने ये लोग ठीक है जो करने का भेज दो नहीं दूसरा मिला तो मतलब
thank you.
मुझे चाहिए
चाहिए ना बिल्कुल चाहिए
चले
नहीं कंपनी है
नहीं, company
है तो मतलब दूसरा so okay what's your sorry
MRP for local and international, right?
yes everything A to Z because based on this we know stock is available 1 piece or 10 piece whatever is stock available, but this piece may be damaged, this piece may be reserved, this piece maybe have some stories, and also we have stories the 20 piece coming this week, next week or later on. All this decision can take by brand manager, or if you have stock or we have no need to issue to you. No clear? No, you can ask anything. So, like myself corrected this. Yeah, he is the expert. MRP is the expert, he is the master MRP. And he created. Because I need to understand. That's why I told to understand this. And I understand from him very well, not from others. Up to some 1 or 2 months, I want to avoid this MRP. Because in local purchase, MRP not exist most of the time. But MRP is very important. I tried to understand, he told, there is MRP, they will give you result also. MRP, they will give you result. Like make to order, like variance, like don't order. We have to follow this rule. We have to put all this, whatever coming. You need 10 piece, you need only 1 piece, for example, 1 piece. But MRP is telling don't buy, right? Don't buy. And right quantity is 0. He need 1 piece, right? Quantity is 0 because variance said no need to purchase. Whatever story there, we have to show the brand manager. See MRP telling no need to purchase. He telling no purchase. Sign here. We have to take signature on MRP from the brand manager. It's very very important. If you not take brand manager, if you issue PO, company will ask you why you issue PO because you are the authority.
Who's the brand manager for MRP?
Different. Like example, like heavyrain. First of all, you must know we have different products. like Legrand product, like Schneider product, like a General Electric product. There are so many products. Based on these products, we have some specialization, specialized engineer there. So based on that, departments also there. Under department, there are some people who are working. So one department head, for example, Legrand, Mr. Adnan is the responsible for Legrand brand manager. He's the Legrand brand manager. We have to ask him directly his signature. Without his signature, we cannot process. Similarly, Schneider, Mr. Mahmoud Razir. I will give you a show, I have printed out there. Mr. Mahmoud Razir. He is the brand manager of Schneider. He is sitting in Egypt, but his assistant here. So you can communicate with the assistant. He will communicate with his manager, he have authority, he can give you with his signature. This is very, very important part. Third, like Schneider products there, General Electric products. This is costly material. This costly material. Recently, you know what happened in India, Hyderabad, one of my city. There, some people they are qualified doctor, mashallah. In that there is switch. Switch is maybe 1 real switch they put in the building. I hear from them in the newspaper like that. 1 real. He's a qualified doctor, mashallah. It is not mistake. The building owner or contractor, you know, everywhere corruption is there. They put some very cheap. I should not say that 1 real, whatever. It's a cheap material they put. But in Saudi Arabia, we have branded. We have consultant. If some contractor doing work, Saudi Arabia, you know, there is one consultant here, like doctor. He will come and check, okay, you are doing correct or not. He will know what material you use, this good material or bad material. If bad material, he will not approve. Then government also will not approve building, planning, whatever. Stop. Because consultant having authority from government to check. This is very important. In India also there, everywhere also there, but people are not using the consultant work. They are using doing class, drawing. They are not caring lives of other people. Now, the new recently couple, they are both doctors, wife and husband. They touch and die. Wife touch and husband try to help her, so husband also with their current. So always try to get the good quality. Don't think the cheapest, especially electrician work, electrical work, like MCCB, RCB, MCB, this main circuit breaker, very, very important. It's a little cost, but it will save your life. If something happens, it's automatically off. Switch is more money, but giving you life. So that switch in Saudi Arabia, we have different brand, like Legrand brand, like Schneider brand, like I write here, Legrand, General Electric, like Schneider Electric. This Legrand from France, General Electric from America, Schneider Electric from France, and there are so many like Philips, like there are so many big branded companies there. All these branded companies, we have one brand manager. They are specialized in particular brand. That's why we have to take from them signature. Now any question you can ask. I hope you understand. So this is the main point inside purchasing. And I was also doing mistake, learn. I was doing lot of mistake, but now I'm learning. I know where the problem is coming. There's so many problems there. But if you know this one, you know like driving. And you one good example. You are driving and in your friend, maybe some people's coming, they don't have good driving license. Maybe they are not driver. Maybe they don't know how to drive. Whatever reason there. You have to take care from themselves also. You have to take care of yourself and themselves. Then you will save both lives. Not only your life, both lives. If someone is coming wrong side, first go to left side. You save yourself, you save other people also. That is the best work here we have to apply. Always. Now you know everything. Now based on this thing, now you have a vision. Wherever you are doing mistake, you will know. Oh, this part having some problems in the system, you have to inform IT people. This part please clear it. This part giving wrong. And this part is correct. Based on accounts, IT, wherever you find any issues, you can discuss directly with them. But your portion must be clear. Drive safe, so work safe. Khalas. Now you have anything you can ask me? Okay, my part is finished. Inside, remember this inside PO, not outside one. Inside PO. Okay, Bawar, you have any question? You want to tell anything? Or you want to show us something? No? Oh, thank you very much.
Just explain the brands also.
Huh?
If you need the brands, which is the most brand of your handling.
Yeah, as I said, mostly we are using Legrand brand. This is the number one company from France. There is no number two in it. There is no number two because this brand is very good brand. If something not available, we can use Legrand. Costly, but there is life here. Costly, but life here. No, just remember this.
Just for your knowledge.
Don't. This when you work so many times, this thing, maybe 1,000 times this thing come in your life to type in, you will remember this thing. Just for knowledge. So Legrand is the number one brand. Comes from France.
Write down that brands and their brand managers. If you have.
Yeah. Okay. No, I will give her.
Oh.
Yeah. Legrand is the number one brand available in Saudi Arabia. Legrand, nobody can deal directly with Legrand. They can deal with some suppliers, some big sources. In Saudi Arabia, there are some sources in Saudi Arabia. In that electric house and Fozan, now Madar, and there are some companies here. They are the brand of Legrand. For example, Legrand, there are, for example, this is Legrand. Example, this is Legrand. Legrand having three, example I am telling you. Example, there are three big sources Legrand to deal in Saudi Arabia. One is electric house, another is Fuzan. Third is Sayed Electrical from Riyadh. These are the suppliers. Now, if anybody want to deal, they have to deal with these three companies. And these three companies having some special prices. Based on their sales, this company, forget this Legrand, say something like the General Electric, Schneider Electric, Legrand, there are so many brands. You think like that, and there are some suppliers, sources, main sources, because nobody can deal with them, branded people. They have some sources, through sources they can deal. For example, these three people prices are different, not match each other. When you ask them to give me request for quotation, RFQ, they will give three different prices. They cannot give same price. Their price maybe can have some fraction difference, but must be different. They will give different prices. And one important thing that if anybody have any issues, any problem, any prices, they will come to these people. These people will deal with the brand peoples, the branded companies, whether Legrand, General Electric, Schneider Electric, or whatever they will deal with them. And if anybody people can come with them, they have authority to deal with the local people through their permission. And the most important thing now I'm telling you, these three people are giving different prices. Why they are different prices? Can you tell me please? This is very important question I'm telling you. And nobody can tell like this.
As per the supplier, somebody is buying from the supplier bulk quantity or as per the country. A Legrand coming from France.
That is also a general commodities we can say, but this is not the correct answer. Correct answer is that you are okay, in some sense you are okay, but this is not applicable when you are talking to branded people. Branded people, based on their sales, this brand company, forget this Legrand, say this General Electric, Schneider Electric, Legrand, whatever, they are giving some diamond. There are some rules here. There is some diamond prices, there is some silver prices, there is some gold prices, and there is some ordinary. There are given some stages like this. Those people are come, for example, say this is gold, diamond, gold and silver. Diamond, gold and silver. For some people, sales is low. They are getting silver category. Their price is different. For example, one item, the cost is 100 real, 75 real, 50 real. All these people are giving 50% discount. All this. Now remember, this is a very important point I'm telling you. Why the price is coming different? You are also a different category, but this is not applicable for branded thing. I'm giving you a very example why I'm getting the good prices from different groups and why I know. Because I know who is the branded supplier, branded source. I'm going to the branded source only. If I take any big quantity from silver, they can give based on their price only. If I take good quantity, whatever quantity, they can give only, what is the category? Only 100 real they will give me. 100 real, their price 100 real. 50% means how much? 50%? 50 real. Sister, this is very important. Another thing, if somebody have gold authority, they will give 75 real. Their price 75. Their 50% how much? 32. 50 to 32 price. And some people have a diamond category, they sell more. Diamond category, like electrical, they sell mashallah more. So they are giving this price. 50 real. How much they are getting? 25 real. Everybody giving 50% based on that. This is the point. That's why I am getting big discount. Before I was purchasing supplier, some supplier, I don't want to take their names, like the supplier here, I don't want to take their name. So they are giving this price and we are taking from them maybe since 15 years. Their category comes under silver. Their 50% discount is 50 real.
So always I try to send my inquiries more than 3, maybe 10, 20, 15 like this, so that I can get the best of the best price. And I know the silver price and gold price and diamond price only when I receiving the cost from them. Anyhow, when I get the prices, I came to know that this is their category. That's why they are giving me this is their final price based on their what I told you, silver, gold and diamond. But nobody will tell you all this category. Even the branded company also will not tell you to go and purchase from this supplier, because they are selling. Whoever sell more, they can get more discount. Sometimes this supplier today in diamond category, another day maybe he can come in silver category, because everything is based on sales only. So whoever sells more, they will get more discount and they have ability to give more discount. I hope you understand this, the logic of sales and the logic of purchasing. Since we are in purchasing, this is our duty to bring the best of the best price. Please remember, whenever you ask any discount to one of your supplier or any of your supplier, keep remember that you must give respect. And ask them 50% discount blindly. Just blindly ask 50% discount. Sometimes your supplier maybe tell you some bad words because you are asking 50% discount, which is not possible for him. So he will angry. And sometimes he will tell you bad words. Always keep yourself under cool, because you must be cool, and your reply should be polite. Once you learn this one, you will play with supplier and you will get what you need, the best price. Some suppliers can come maybe 65%, 75%, 85% based on their categories, but finally you will succeed to get the best of the best price. This is your duty. Anyhow friends, I hope you learn from me. If you learn something, so I request you, please subscribe my channel and please share with others. Also I request you, if you have any knowledgeable clips from your side, so please contact me. I will keep posting on my channel from your name, inshallah. This will help you and will assist others to learn, and I hope inshallah there are a lot of duas and there are a lot of prayers are waiting for you. This is a big asset for you. You cannot imagine, the peoples are waiting. They don't know how to do and what to do, and they are waiting your knowledge. So please share your knowledge on my channel with your experience. Inshallah, I will share all these things on my channel. Let everyone to get the knowledge. Thank you very much for watching my channel.
Oh, thank you very much.